When I first talk with estate personal representatives, many of them tell me that their probate attorney will take care of everything. They say they're all set, the probate attorney will do everything. Well, that may or may not be true. So the purpose of this video is to give you some information on what you might want to expect from a probate attorney, what and what not to expect. There's three main, very important things probate attorneys carry out. 1, they determine if probate is necessary. 2, they provide legal guidance. And 3, they file motions with the Sacramento Superior Court. So let's dive into what attorneys will and will not do in probate cases. If there's real estate in the estate, the first thing a probate attorney will do is pull the grant deed from the Sacramento County Court recorder. The grant deed specifies how title is held in the property. And the grant deed is simply a document that's used to convey the transfer of title in real property. The attorney will also see how title is held and determine if probate is necessary. Now, some attorneys, they do give no-cost consultations, and some of them, may be able to do this service at no cost to you. So once you determine that probate is necessary, the probate attorney guides you from the start to the end of the administration of the probate process. So it's good to have somebody that's been through the process many times and they're familiar with, different issues that could come up in the administration of an estate. So check out my first video when I have how to pick a good probate attorney. And that one has a lot, how to pick one with a lot of experience and is also specialized in probate law. So the third service a probate attorney provides is to prepare the necessary paperwork, and they file all of the motions on what's called interpleader paper. And this interpleader paper is legal paper with all those numbers on the side, and it has a header on top of it. Attorneys will also file petitions with the court and fill out these very, very complicated, they're like templates that they fill out, and they ask like really complicated questions. They're difficult I think they're difficult to fill out. What they fill out, it has to pass by the probate court examiner. The probate court examiner, looks through all of these documents to make sure that they're correct. So to put it very briefly, probate attorneys provide a service for all of the interactions that are necessary with the court. Okay, so now I'll go through what probate attorneys will not do. Hi, my name is Nancy Adinolfe. I'm a realtor here in Sacramento County. I help personal representatives with the real estate portion of an estate that is going through probate. I serve all areas of Sacramento County, including Sacramento, Elk Grove, Citrus Heights, Folsom, Rancho Cordova, and all other towns in Sacramento County. So probate attorneys will not do, as you can guess, they won't do anything with taxes. They are qualified to carry out legal matters, but taxes are in a totally different realm. Most probate attorneys will not help with evictions. If you have people living in the house that, invariably this happens actually quite a bit, that, you need them to move and they won't move. Probate attorneys will not litigate eviction matters. Another thing a probate attorney will not do is take care of the inventory of the items in the estate. The inventory and appraisal forms need to be completed, and the court is mainly concerned with items of value in the estate. So not only the physical items, but also the important documents that need to be gone through by the personal representative. And I have a story to tell you about how important it is to go through all of the personal items. I was fortunate enough to be selected by a personal representative to sell the real estate portion of her estate. Her uncle was a world-renowned historical preservationist. He had an entire wall of books. There must have been thousands of books in his library. My dear client went through every single one of those books and found a $20,000 Treasury I-bond that was being used as a bookmark in one of the books. And she cleaned out an entire house that was built in 1910. And I'm sure that a lot of the personal property in that house was from many other people that lived in that house. The reason I tell you this story is to let you know that it's really important to go through everything. You just never know what you're going to find and where you're going to find it. Another thing a probate attorney will not do is help with the maintenance of the estate. In most cases, attorneys are not licensed to sell real estate. There's only 2 attorneys, probate attorneys, that I have come across that also had the real estate license. And realtors do play an important role. They play a service when it comes to the real estate portion of the estate. We help with all manners of real estate, and as I mentioned, help with cleaning up the property, getting the property ready for sale, and marketing the property in the best light possible. It provides a service to honor your loved ones and something that, family members can be proud of. So stay tuned. I have another video that will help you decide what to do with the inherited house that is optimum and the best choice for you.